Welcome to Study with Flow. In today's video, we are going to learn about exploratory data analysis. Now, what exactly is this exploratory data analysis? Exploratory data analysis refers to the critical process of performing initial investigation on data so as to discover patterns, to spot anomalies, to test hypotheses, and check assumptions with the help of summary statistics and graphical representation. Basically, exploratory data analysis is a preliminary analysis of data where we are going to handle missing values, the outliers in the data, the skewness of the data. We are going to check for the correlation plots, find the descriptive statistics of the data, and so on and so forth. In this video, I will be talking about how to handle missing values. I will discuss about two ways in which missing values can be handled. Now, let's begin our journey of handling missing values. First and foremost, let's import the necessary libraries. Import numpy as np. Import pandas as pd. Now, NumPy stands for numerical Python and Pandas stand for panel data. Basically, the Pandas library helps us with all the different kinds of data analysis. Let's run this. Now we have successfully run our libraries. Now we are going to create our own data frame. How do we do it? Let's see. Now, I'm going to make a data frame which consists the days of the week and the temperatures of Mumbai and Delhi. So, let's write days is equals to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now, let's write the temperatures for Mumbai and Delhi. Mumbai, we do not have the temperature for Sunday, so we'll replace it by nan, np.nan, 27, 29, 30, 25, 26, 29. Delhi is equals to 33, 35, 34, and np.nan, 32, 34, 36. Now we are creating a dictionary of days, Mumbai and Delhi. DIC is equals to curly braces, days. We take the values of days. Mumbai takes the value from Mumbai.